Hey guys, so we're going to start a new video series and it's going to be on Bermuda grass, which is the most common turf type that's in this area. Most of y'all have that in the lawns. If you have either zoysia or St. Augustine, we can cover those in the future, but we're going to cover Bermuda right now just because it is so prevalent. And what we'll do is I'll try to put out a video every single week, just a 1 to 2 minute video covering topic on it, and we'll also go through the season that we're in so we can follow it along as we change from summer to fall to winter to spring. I'm going to give you tips on how to manage it or take care of it or just any insight to it because there's quite a bit to cover with it, especially in 1 to 2 minutes. But real quick, which takes a second, is to cover the history of it. The common variety, which was first introduced here, came over in the colonial period, so it's been here a long time. And then over the years, we developed a number of hybrid varieties, which the most common that you're gonna find in your home lawn is gonna be 419. There are a couple other varieties that are now coming in quite a bit that are pretty popular, but the more prevalent one is the 419 variety, which I can show you in the next video on how to identify whether you have Bermuda, which is pretty simple. To actually identify which hybrid type you have can be quite difficult. Between some of them, you have to have them sent off to a lab. But between common, 419, and something like Celebration, we can identify those. Or if you have contaminated source or a type of Bermuda, which 419 and some of these others will do, they will mutate, whether it's a real quick process or something that takes many years, they can mutate to another variety. But we'll cover that in the future. But the next video we will identify it so you know exactly what you have. And as always, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and we'll get it answered. And thank you very much.